What is up, guys? I'm back again with another video. If you guys haven't seen my video yesterday, the link will be down below on how I am switching back to Android. I have the OnePlus 7 Pro. In a couple of weeks I'm gonna make my full review on it, with my full opinions and what if I recommend this device. It's a couple months old, guys, and it's still rocking like a champ. One of the best screens out there. I really do like the front-facing camera too. But in this video, guys, I'm going to be doing an app review for you guys called Klarna. It's K-L-A-R, so K-L-A-R-N-A. If you guys see it right there. Focus the camera a little bit. There we go, Klarna. So if all you guys got to do, go to Google Play or App Store, click on it, and sign up with your account. Choose what state or country you live in. Create an account. It'll send you a link to your email. Then once it sends you a link, you'll sign up. You'll get to this page right here, and I'll show you guys how it works. Okay. So what you guys want to do is look for a store you guys want to shop at, and once you shop at. Sorry guys, if you guys hear my son in the background. He's just playing with some golf clubs, but I'm just about to play with him after this video. So if you guys see, so we'll choose like the store right here really quick. So we'll do Foot Locker. We'll click Foot Locker, and if you guys see right there, let's try to focus the camera again. Sorry, this camera has, click here when you're ready to pay. So what you'll do is I'll walk you through. You'll do some, so we'll do Mans. I'll just show you guys really quick. We'll click this one right here. So the price is $190. Okay, we'll click cancel. We'll say I'm a 10 and a half. We'll click my size. Sorry guys, focusing. Okay, then we'll hit next. Add to cart. Okay, add to cart. So now we'll go to your cart, guys, and if you guys see it is in my cart right here. And all you gotta do is click pay with Klarna, and it breaks up your payments. But first it does create a ghost card right here. So create a ghost card for each purchase, and it breaks it up into 4 payments. So if you guys can see it right here, it is $190. I hit continue. You can add 10%, that'll make it $209, or you could do continue without adding. I'll do continue without adding just to show you guys, and it breaks it up to 4 different payments over the 6 weeks. So the first payment will be, focus, will be $450 or 4750, and now I'll add up to $190. So it's pretty cool, guys. So if you guys have a big purchase you guys want to make, like actually on this, this was $865, and I'm doing $260 every 2 weeks, which I really do like. This breaks out the payments pretty good, especially for big purchases. So I recommend this app a lot. I believe it does run credit, guys, so make sure you guys just be careful with that. Oh, fail. But any other than that, guys, this is the perfect app for you. There's thousands of stores you could do. It has to be in the United States right now, because that's all. Because I tried to buy the OnePlus from the actual website on the website, but it did not work. So I had to go to OnePlus or to Amazon to order it. But guys, I recommend this app. Go download it right now. Give it a try. You can make payments, guys. Big purchases. Like my friend is buying his PC with his. If you guys don't see my PC right there. So I recommend, if you guys want like a big purchase like that, guys. I recommend it. But that is it, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up. Subscribe down below, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, guys. Double peace.